Hello dear student. Today I am going to describe about one important topic of third chapter, advanced feature of MS Access 2013. I am going to describe about query and how to create a query. So let's start. A query is a question that is written with a particular condition to ask something to an existing table or multiple table and to retrieve the information from one or multiple table. That means a query is a question that you make with a particular condition and that you give to a particular table or multiple tables to get the information. How to create a query? Students, this is your textbook. Here, step by step, I will describe you how to create the query with the given diagram. Best way to create a query is to use the query design view under create tab. How it is possible? Let's start. First, the step 1 is click on, first of all, you need to open an existing table. Based on the existing table, you need to create a query. First step is to click on create tab. When you click on create tab, go to queries group. That is the second step. I'm repeating. The first step is to click on the create tab. Second step, you go to the queries group. In the queries group, you find query design option or query design button. You click on query design button. When you click on query design button, then show table dialog box will come. Show table dialog box will provide you the existing tables. Here only one table is there in the database, that is doctor. So this table is displayed. Third step is to click add button in show table dialog box. Now step 4, you will see that the table is displayed in the query design area, where at the bottom of the window you will find query design grid. In the query design grid, there will be multiple options. I'm telling the options: fields, tables, sort, criteria, show, or etc. In field option, you can select the existing field of this table. Here multiple field options are there. That means you can select multiple fields. When you select a particular field, then and then the corresponding table name will come and show box will be checked on. So this is your step number 4. Now suppose you want to create one condition. The condition is called criteria in MS Access. So what you need to do? You need to click on the criteria box. Suppose you are giving that a student whose fees is greater than 600. So you can see it is also written here. So greater than 600 you can give here at the criteria box under field fees. That means the fees is the field under that criteria box you are giving greater than 600. That means you are creating a query, that you are creating a condition that the student, those who are giving more than 600 fees, those students ID, name and other information will be displayed. Now after that you can sort the data. That is the step number 7. So before step number 7, we need to see, I have already told, the show box will be checked on when you have selected the particular field. Show box checked on means that particular field will be displayed in as a result of the query. You can check on or checked off the show box. That is step number 6. Step number 7, you can sort the data into ascending or descending order. Step number 8. After creating the query, you can save the query. When you save the query, remember your query name will be displayed in the navigation pane. Remember this. Now, in step number 8, after saving the table, your table name will be displayed at the navigation pane at the left side. Okay, so you can see here, and after that you can, and this is step number 8. Now step number 9, you can right click on the query name at the navigation pane. You can right click on the query name at the navigation pane and go to the datasheet view, and then you can see the result of the query. So this is all about how to create a query with query design view and how to show the result of the query with query datasheet view. So this much for today. Thank you all the students. I want to add one more thing with this class, that is how to create a query with multiple condition. As I've already told that a condition is called a criteria. So now how to create multiple criteria. So let's start. Before starting, I want to recap the previous steps. You have already clicked on create tab. You have gone to create query design option. Then you have already created a query. When you have clicked on the query design tab that I'm showing you, here when you have created a query by clicking on create tab, and then under the queries group you have clicked on query design option. When query design option you have clicked, the show table dialog box has come. The table you have selected, you have clicked on add button. After that, the table is displayed in the query design area. The grid has come. After this step, I am directly going to the next step, that is here. This is the query design grid that is displayed at the bottom of query design window. Here, as I've already told, multiple options are there. Field box, table box, sort box, show box, criteria box, or box are there. And you have selected a table, that is doctor. Now, here multiple columns are there to select the multiple fields. First field you have selected doctor ID, then name, then hospital, then fees, and then specialization. So these 5 fields you have selected. When you have selected the fields, automatically in the table box the corresponding table name has come. In the sort box we have kept it blank. We have not sorted any data. Now in the show box, whenever you are selecting a field, automatically your show box will be checked on. Now come into the criteria or condition box. Here we are giving multiple condition. First condition we are giving under the hospital field, that it is equal to Heal Well Hospital. So this is our first condition, and this condition will be applied on the field hospital. The next condition or criteria we are mentioning under fee column. Under the fee column we are writing less than 600. That means this is the second condition. Like this, multiple condition we can make. After creating this query, we can save the query, and when we run the query, we go to the datasheet view of the query, we get this result. You can see that this is the datasheet view of the query with the multiple condition, and here it is showing Doctor ID 6, doctor name Dr. Vinod, hospital Heal Well Hospital, and fees 500, and specialization is also given. And this is the first example of creating a query with multiple condition. We can create a query with multiple condition with another example. Suppose with the same way we have created a query with adding table. After adding table, the query design grid has come. We have selected doctor ID, name, hospital, fee, specialization, 5 fields from the table doctor. Automatically the table name has come in the table box. Now we have clicked already show boxes are checked on. Now we are giving 3 conditions or 3 criteria. For the field hospital, we are writing equal to Heal Well Hospital. Here equal to symbol or greater than symbol or greater than equal to or less than equal to or not equal to. These kinds of relational operators will be used. Remember this. So equal to Heal Well Hospital, this criteria or condition is given under hospital field. Under fee or for the field fee, we are giving the next condition greater than equal to 600, and for the field specialization we are giving the condition equal to nephrologist, and then we are saving the query. When we are saving the query, after that we go to the datasheet view of the query, and then we get this result that doctor ID is 2, doctor name is Dr. Shilpi, and hospital is Heal Well Hospital, fee is 600, and specialization is nephrologist. So this much for the query design with single and multiple condition. Thank you all the student.